Hello, welcome to Craft Time at the Houston Public Library. Today we're making origami unicorns. This activity is intended for ages 4 and up. Let's get started. I'm going to make my unicorn white, so we're going to use a piece of white paper. And the first thing we're going to do is bring this corner to meet this corner right here. Make sure your sides are aligned. And then make a crease like this. And then we're going to open it back up, turn it 90 degrees, bring this corner to meet this corner. And make a crease. And then we're going to open it back up. Bring this tip to the middle right here and make sure your folded line here is aligned. There we go, make a crease. Now we're going to turn it upside down and then bring this tip to meet this tip right there. Make a crease. All right, and the next thing is we're going to flip this side up, bring this edge to the middle line right there. There, okay, make a crease, and then do the same thing on the other side. Bring this edge to meet the middle right there, and make a crease. It almost looks like a heart now. Then we're going to flip it over and make a little triangle. So bring this tip to meet this line right there, and do the same thing on this side. All right, and we're going to turn it sideways and do the same thing on this side. So just fold this tip in a little bit like that, and do the same on the other side. There we go. And we're going to flip it over. Now you have a heart shape. And we're going to turn the heart shape upside down like this. That's the head of our unicorn. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to cut out a little piece of white paper to be the ears. So you can draw it first if that's easier. If not, you can just cut it like that. And we're going to put this under this flap right here. So that's the ear sticking out a little bit. And we're going to open this up first. Put the ear under it. And grab a little piece of tape and tape it. And tape it right there. And flip it back over. There you go. That's your ear. Then grab a piece of decorative paper. And what I like to do is turn your unicorn upside down. And also turn your paper upside down. We're just gonna mark it how long we need. We're going to need a hair to be right about there. And we're going to tape this right on the back of your unicorn. If it's too long, no worries, we're just gonna cut it down. And then we're going to cut them into little strips so they will look like hair. It's your hair. Okay, so the next thing is we're going to make the horn. I happen to have this strip of paper that I'm going to cut it into a pointy shape. There we go. And tape it right on the back of your unicorn, right next to the ear. There we go. We're almost done. The last thing we're going to do is grab your marker and we're going to draw the eye, some eyelashes, and a little squiggly for the nose. And if you have a pink marker, you can also draw in the ears as well. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed this activity. We'll see you next time. Bye!